The entire crypto market looks so bullish on the weekly time frame. If we look at the crypto bubbles, this shows us that Bitcoin is doing well. And if we look at the chart of Bitcoin, realize that Bitcoin is around $99,000. It's threatening to stay above $100,000. But there is a catch here. If Bitcoin is not able to break this level where it is right now at this point in time, then I think we're gonna see Bitcoin price go more lower. So we should expect Bitcoin to break these zones, and make the next high. But what are the possibilities looking at the liquidation heat map that Bitcoin is actually going to hit this target? Well, that's exactly what I want us to look at in today's show. We're gonna look at Bitcoin next move. I think the next move is already confirmed. Bitcoin's next move is confirmed, and based on what we're gonna discover on the chart, is gonna help us to know which altcoins might be doing well or which altcoins might not be doing well. I want to share with you guys today some strategies that I think gonna help you to look at altcoins that can do well even when Bitcoin is not doing well. And at the same time, I'm gonna help you to be able to stay away from bad trades or bad market situations. Okay, because at times we dive into coins without knowing what they are doing. We just think that okay, this coin because it has done this before and it's gonna do the same thing in the past. So stay tuned as we dive into today's show. By the way, if say you are new on this platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. The purpose or the goal of this platform is to help you make Bitcoin, make more Bitcoin. So we talk about market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit, and when to stay away from the market. So if this sort of content interests you, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, guys, let's dive right away. I say right away to what I got for you guys today. Now, um, if you must know, I always begin my show looking at the entire crypto market from crypto bubbles. I want to see the coins that have been doing well for the week, and I begin always from the top 100 coins. And you can see clearly that Fatcoin is for this week is up 45%, and you can, XLM is up 26%. AI 16. This is a, I think this is an AI agent meme coin. It's up this much as well. XDC, and many other Pengu, they are up this much. Filecoin also, ARUB, and most of these coins that you are seeing here, or all of these coins that you are seeing here, has outperformed Bitcoin for this week. And this is good. This is what we want to see. We want to see coins that are doing well against Bitcoin because the goal here is to make more Bitcoin. We want to always outperform Bitcoin. And I think that we still have some more opportunities for this altcoin or with these altcoins. So if we look at the top 200 200 altcoins in the space, we're going to see that there are some pretty decent coins that have been doing well as well. Fi, Griffin, Deep, DSYNC, Prime, Mock, Giga. I talk about Mock before it formed. I shared the chart of Mock, so you would have made 30%. I think that would have made more because Mock went up about 50%, and I caught the move. I shared it on Twitter and I shared it with my VIP community. Those of you who caught it, good and fine. I shared even Toshi and many other coins on my VIP group. That's why if say you are still struggling with coins to buy and make quick gains from it, you want to trade and you don't know how to go about it, then make sure you are part of my VIP community. There I share what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and I even go further to do analysis on your coins that you are holding to see where and when you're gonna take out some profit from it. So make sure you join my VIP group. The link is found below this video. If you join it, then that's good for you. If you don't join it, then that's still good for you because I know if you don't join it, it means you know what you're doing. Okay, so overall, I would say the sentiment of the market looks so good, like it looks bullish, right? Swamps, yeah, Dog, Doge. This is a meme coin, I think. Looking at the top 200 coins or top 300 coins, like almost everything is doing so well against Bitcoin. You can see here. And if we look at the monthly time frame, let's see if this is the case. Because recently we have seen altcoins trying to do so well, but for the month, Bitcoin is still leading. Bitcoin is still leading most of these altcoins, even though they are doing well for the week. We go back to the top 100 coins, you're gonna see that only Griffin, Fi, and some few other coins have been doing well against Bitcoin for the month. And if you go to the top 100, you're gonna see that Fatcoin and some few have been doing well against Bitcoin, but the rest of the market, Bitcoin has been doing well against them. So this is very important, guys. You understand how to look at the market and to see which coins are actually picking up right now after a huge dip, for the month. And you can see clearly that dot is one of those coins that are picking up right now. Near protocol is also one of them, and bread also is one of them, which is doing well recently. Bong also is one of them. FTM is one of them. FTM is down for the month 42%. These are the kind of coins you should be looking at. CAS is down. IRB is down for the month 90%. So in in general, the coins or the bubbles you see in the red, right, are the bubbles that Bitcoin has done well against, and the bubbles you see, um, the green bubbles are the bubbles that Bitcoin that has done well against Bitcoin, like Virtua and all the other coins that you can see here. SPX also has done so well this month. Okay, so now let's dive to the chart of Bitcoin and see what is going on there with Bitcoin at this point in time. But I want us to focus on this chart. I think this chart, I have talked about this chart here in the past, yeah, in one of my shows, and I marked these zones here. And I told you guys that if Bitcoin is gonna move downward, then Bitcoin is gonna at least recover this, get towards this area, this zone that I marked here. And we saw how Bitcoin went there and rejected from this zone, because price rejected here last time. It did here, it did here, and there was high chances that price was going to do the same thing, there. So this was good. This is a pretty decent support zone for price, and now price is at another decent resistance and zone. So for what is what, I want to see Bitcoin break and close above this. Like, this is the daily candle. So this daily candle should close above this zone. If this candle is not able to close above this zone, that's now is 99.746. So let me say, if Bitcoin is not able to break and stay above $100,000, then there's high chances that we can still move. We can test the next low, which is around 85,000. So we can move more downward. We can see huge downward trend for Bitcoin, and target is going to be around $85,000. And if that is the case, then there's also high chances that Bitcoin can hit the 80,000 price point and the 75 or 70,000 price point. So these are the zones I've marked, long time ago. I have done the analysis in the future. And whenever Bitcoin get to either of these zones, we're going to see massive rejection for price. So those of you who are trading, who are investing, you should understand that Bitcoin has a pattern, the way it moves. It moves. And when Bitcoin is moving, there are some altcoins that actually move with Bitcoin, and there are some altcoins that move after Bitcoin has moved. So Bitcoin is pretty one of my greatest indicator, because it gives me the direction of what the market is doing. And if Bitcoin says, okay, this week the market is going to be bad, then the market is going to be bad. And the reason why you are seeing most of those other altcoins doing so well this week that I showed you on crypto bubbles is because Bitcoin has been doing well this week as well. Bitcoin left about 91K, and now it's about 99K. So that was about 8,000, or what, like, yeah, 8,000, 8,000 difference, something like that. So Bitcoin is bullish, but at its critical resistance level. Now, talking about bullishness, let's look at total, um the dominance. Let's see where we are with dominance. And looking at dominance, I want us to do this looking at it on the weekly time frame. Let's see where we are with dominance on the weekly time frame. So this is where we are with dominance on the weekly time frame, and I think maybe we can keep going down, 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 because you can see we attempted to go and make the next high. We couldn't reach the next high for dominance. That's around 60%, almost 60%, and we saw this retracement back. But again, what I should expect to happen with dominance is dominance should be able to break this level and trade below, or want to see it go below this level here that I am marking now. So if say it stays above here, then there's high chances that we can see dominance go to attempt this high here around 58 percent, which is not good for altcoins. But if say we see dominance break below, then that's good for altcoin, because we can confirm that if dominance break this zone, it's gonna make higher lower lows, and the target is gonna be around 50% or 54% for dominance, and this is good. This is good for altcoins. So looking at the weekly time frame, this can take some time to play out. Like can take a couple of days, weeks. Because we are looking at longer time frame, so it might take some time, like 1 or 2, 3 weeks for this to play out. So you can be patient for price to react up accordingly. But generally, I think we should be bullish with most altcoins out there. I'm gonna show you guys some few altcoins that I think we should be bullish on, and these altcoins actually are game changing altcoins, and we should be focusing on these altcoins to make some quick gains. Again, as I mentioned, I want to share with you guys why I think these altcoins are game changing, and they might be the next target or the next move to outperform Bitcoin. Now, dominance looks good. Okay, it looks good. It has this range that we want price to break, and we already know what will happen if say like what will happen to altcoins. So Bitcoin, if dominance break below, but if dominance keep going above, then that's not good. So looking now at USDT dominance, this chart is somehow awesome. I love this chart. This USDT dominance. Why? Because we are still at this level here. We want to see USDT dominance even go now more downward, because guys, the more investors favor Bitcoin or crypto, the more we're gonna see upside in the market. And this is something I think is good, right? We want to see dominance because it wasn't able to go and make higher highs and break structure. It's still around this same structure. So we should expect USDT dominance to trade below, to move below this level, and the target should be around, let's say, around 3%. So it should be around 3.17% if say it breaks that level where it is right now. So guys, all the indicator is pointing to our direction or to our favor, and because I think we want to see our altcoins pump or get to key levels that we can easily be confident enough to cash out some profit or buy more. And talking about our altcoins or the altcoin market, let's look at total tree first. Let's see what total tree is doing. And total tree is all cryptocurrency out there, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the chart on the weekly time frame shows that this is bullish. But again, this is sitting at a key level here. If I go drop down to the daily time frame, you're gonna see what I'm trying to say here. Okay. Usually when you see a move like this, downward trend retracement, you wanna see this retracement go and make higher highs. At least break the previous structure. Okay. So when you see this was a previous structure. We wanna see this on total tree go and break that previous structure, and it must not go and make higher highs instantly, but we want to see it break this zone here and close a little bit above here. That should be our confirmation that we can now go and make higher highs, maybe go to 1.2 trillion or more to the upside. But as of now, I think we can agree that we are seeing rejection here at this point in time, which isn't good. So if price is gonna leave the zone and come around here, then that's gonna be bad for altcoin because it's gonna come around another zone, key area around this zone here. You can see this is a key area here. So if price break below here, then price is gonna be struggling to break above again. And it means price can still move down more downward around this 800 billion cap for total trade. So guys, again, I love what I'm seeing on the lower time frame. I'm gonna explain to you guys shortly why I say so, but let me clear this drawing. Now let's dive to the 4 hour time frame on this. Let me explain to you guys why I mentioned that I love what is going on here. So you can see this rejection here. Price has been moving sideways and forming this high here. So let me take off this and so you can see price has been staying above this range, rejecting this zone to the downside and also to the upside. So price is moving sideways and hasn't yet decided where price wants to go. But the good news is on this 4 hours time frame, we have this buy signal here, which might signify that we want to go more to the upside. That means the altcoins are most of the altcoins out there, the top altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, want to push to the upside or are about to make huge moves to the upside. But if we look at um the total cap, that is all other crypto out there, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrency, right? We can clearly see that on the 4 hours time frame, it has printed the buy signal as well. And on the daily time frame, it looks somehow bullish. And this is something I want to see. And we might still expect more upside for this total cap, the total cap excluding the top 10 in the space, like the top 10 cryptocurrency. We can expect more upside, and this might take us to this level here, which is a good level, and that's a level that maybe we're gonna see some sort of rejection, or pullback with most of those altcoins. But if that's the case, we're gonna have another strong resistance, sorry, support below price if price is gonna break that zone above. So if we see um total cap, that's total market cap excluding the top 10 cryptocurrency. If we see it break above here, then we should be bullish more because maybe the rejection is gonna bring us here, then before it the next high to the upside. Again, guys, we are speculating. There's nothing really like, even though I mentioned confirm, that's just for saying sake. There's no confirmation here as to what price is gonna do. Price is still moving sideways, not giving us any real signal as to where price want to go. But again, the 4 hours time frame can give us some perspective of what price is doing, and that price is about or is preparing to make the next move to the upside. And we can see also other indicators like the alpha trend, pointing more downward, which is not good. But again, if we look at the chart, we can see that this moving average here is crossing this other moving average, which is bullish for me. But I want to see more confirmation with that. So again, guys, we have to look at the market, look at different scenarios, look at different charts to help us understand what is going to happen. We have looked at Bitcoin, we have seen that Bitcoin is bullish, and now we have seen that the entire altcoin market is also bullish, looking at these key levels. But again, price has to break these levels to the upside for us to get maximum confirmation or absolute confirmation that we are back in an uptrend. But if we're not able to see that, then I don't think that's gonna be a good move for us. So now I want to believe that you are able to see like to see now where we are in the market and where we might be heading towards with our altcoins, because the altcoin market has to be that great, great in a sense that it has to follow what Bitcoin is doing. And if say the altcoin market is not following what Bitcoin is doing, then maybe I don't know what else to say. It means the altcoin market have detached itself from Bitcoin, which is something I think most of you are trying to avoid. You want to see Bitcoin be the alpha, the leader, and Bitcoin to lead us to the moon. Now, talking about some altcoins that can really do well, this time around, I think um, AVAX is showing some strength on the higher time frame. Okay, and I want to do this on a different chart. So let me bring in this chart here. Is this the right chart that I'm looking out for? I think so. I think so. So let me see this other one. Yeah. Okay. So I think this is a chart I want to look at. This one. Okay. Yeah. This is a chart I want us to look at. So I want us to look at AVAX. I think AVAX has been doing like is in strength, even though Bitcoin is doing what Bitcoin is doing. But I can see that AVAX is looking bullish. Is showing some strength on a daily time frame, and the target could be around this $47. Yeah, for AVAX. That's gonna be about some few percentage upside for those of you who are trading. You can see if say AVAX is gonna break this zone and target this high here, that's gonna be 7%. For those of you who are trading, you can make some quick gains with this. But I do think that AVAX is gonna go and make higher highs from where from the previous high, and the reason I say so is because um price have broken already this structure here. This was a structure here for AVAX. You know, price break this structure here and price will test the structure, and this is in confluence with other with previous price action. You can see in the past price rejected here, here, and price have done the same thing. So if price reject here, the target is gonna be the previous high here, which is this zone. And if say price break this zone, then price is going to take us to make more higher highs. But this is the main target here, the first target. Then maybe if price break above, then price is going to retest this again, and we can buy again. But usually, what I do is when price get to my key levels, I cash it my profit out. I wait for price to react more, and then I wait for pullback to get back into the coins. The coin. I already bought some AVAX already, so I am waiting. I bought some AVAX yeah, around this price point. So I'm still waiting now to cash out my profit. But I think I'm gonna play the long game for AVAX. Why? It's because of this chart, the weekly time frame. You can see AVAX can actually go and make the next all-time high soon. Okay. The next move now can take us right up to $80 for AVAX. That's 1x your investment. Why I say so is because of this previous level here, where the alpha trend created the sell signal. So AVAX looks somehow damn pretty good. It looks good. Okay. And the next coin I want us to look at, which I think is at a decent environment and can make you some huge gains, is Phantom. Phantom looks somehow good as well. Look at this chart on the weekly time frame. Look at this retest of structure after the huge pump to the upside. But there's something you need to understand here for this coin, Phantom, that has been doing since last year. You can see that price has been in a consistent uptrend, making higher highs. Look at this high, yeah, retest of structure, high again, retest of structure, another high again. So higher heights and higher lows. Phantom has been doing, and now price is holding at this key level here and is staying above the alpha trend. So the next move should take us right up to about, let's say, $2 for for Phantom. You know, like this one is pretty like straightforward. Phantom is straightforward. You can see it clearly. But now the upside for this coin is really awesome. And most of this coin that I'm showing you guys is more of swing trading. You cannot really make like say you are buying these coins to hold. Like you can buy it, you can have it as an investment coin that you are accumulating more of it for long term. But if say you want to just buy it and keep it there, like say you have $1,000, You want to just buy it and expect to make some huge gains with it. That's not going to happen. You're not going to make life changing world like that from this coin. You can make it from some other few or coins that I'm going to share with you, like with $1,000. And this coins like this is to for us to trade it, like to make profits from it. You can still invest in it and trade it. Me, what I invest in more is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And I'm not investing in most of these altcoins. I'm just trading these altcoins to make more Bitcoin. And me holding Ethereum or making more Ethereum, making more Solana, to an extent BNB is because I am accumulating more Bitcoin. I don't have to make more of everything, but I'm just trying to give you guys a heads up on how you should be looking at most of these coins that I'm sharing with you. You can choose one to be your investment coin, of course, long term. Do more well than Bitcoin, like long term. But again, you have to confirm with what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, and also look at the chart, like what we are doing right now. The fundamentals for FTM Phantom is good. It's amazing. But now where we are is crucial. It's at a critical support zone, and maybe the next move is, I don't know. And talking about coins that can really make you some awesome gains, this is one of them. Bar, it still have a long way to go, and it's at a good zone now to buy. Price have recovered at least half of this vector candle. So I think like it was pretty obvious that price was gonna come here anyways. Yeah. Okay. And I knew this anyways. That's why I wasn't budging myself to buy. But again, you have to look at the previous data to confirm what might happen in the future. So this is the zone where price have rejected here in the past. So where are we right now in the future? The same zone. So as it stands, we should be expecting this coin to go and make the next high because of the category that it finds itself at this point in time. They are more into the AI agent launchpad stuff. So yeah, this is hot. The AI agent stuff is hot, and they have a launchpad to attract more projects to launch on their platform. So we can see the price do something like this for far on the higher time frame, like move sideways around this zone, then make the next move to the upside. So yeah, this is one of the coins that you can really um place your eyes on. Maybe it's gonna give you some quick profit. But this coin can really make you life changing gains. We can see this coin 10x like that. It can just 10x like that in no time. And another coin I want you to look at here is Mock. Okay. I caught Mock doing this move, yeah. This is mock on the weekly time frame. I saw mock at this level, yeah, and shared with my community that mock have retest a key zone, and this was the area, yeah. But let me just go to one of this my charts so we can see basically what I was trying to say about mock. Yeah, because guys, again, I share my stuff on X. I share it with my VIP community. At times I will not tell you that I'm buying it because I already bought it, but I'm trying to say to you guys that it's time for you to look at it because it's gonna pump. And whenever I share something also on my X, you should pay attention to it because I believe it's going to pump. Now let's look at Mock and see what is going on here with Mock. I don't know, it's like my stream is a little bit freezing. I want to believe everything looks somehow good now. By the way, if you are watching, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment below your thought about most of these coins that I'm talking about here. Yeah, just let me know what you think about it. Are you holding some of these coins already? Yeah, do they have good future for you? So I mark this zone for mock. This is a mock. This is mock on the let's go on the daily time frame. So I show you guys where I marked. So this was the zone that I marked here, and this was because I realized, on the FIP two, that was the resistance. That was a support zone on the FIP two. So I looked at this and I saw that price came to a key area. And how I knew about this, I bring in my flip, I pluck it from the bottom of this move, the top, and it was where the golden pocket is that I saw, wow, that price is gonna do something like that. So you can see price rejected from the golden pocket, and I've marked this long time ago. And immediately I saw price here on the weekly time frame, I immediately screamed, buy, 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 buy. And now what is going on with Mark is that Mark has gotten to a zone where, of course, we should expect price rejection. But again, we can never tell. This is one of the top bitcoins on the base blockchain. So looking at what price is doing here, of course, we might see some sort of rejection here, but the rejection is not going to be that significant. So I want to advise maybe you catch out some profit. Then if we see that the rejection here, you can buy more. But whatever the case is, if we're gonna see break of structure here to the upside, then price will not retest structure. So Mock is one of those coins you want to be having your eyes on, you know, this time around. Another coin that I want you to pay attention to is breath. This week Brett hasn't really done well, and it was doing the same thing as Mock. But what is good about Brett is that Brett respected key areas. You can see here this dip was in confluence to previous price action, and this is what I want to see in most coins. I want to see rejection if price get to key areas. I want to see rejection from it and retest of that same structure. So price came here, rejected, price confirmed that move again, we test that zone again, then we saw a huge pump to the upside. And now I think that Mock is about, Brett is about to make the next move to target this previous high here on the volume profile. So again, as Bitcoin is showing strength, these altcoins are also showing strength. It's very important you understand that. So I don't know which other altcoins you guys are holding. Comment below, let me know the altcoins you are holding so I can do some analysis on them already. And if say you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If there's some altcoins you want me to look at right now, comment below the altcoins that you want me to look at, and I'm gonna do my possible best to give you a proper analysis on them. I'm here to do just that. And if say you want to join my VIP group, make sure you go to the description of this video. There's a link there to connect with me, to connect to my VIP group. And when you do that, you're gonna have my buy and sales and take profit signal. And that's what I think most of you are looking forward to. You wanna get what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and when I'm gonna cash out some profit doing what I do. You know. So I can see a couple of you guys are watching. I don't know if say you guys commented, if you comment something, but I'm gonna assume that you don't have much to say, but if you do have something to say, comment below. Let me analyze the coins that you are holding. Yeah, let's do just that, guys. Let's do just that. I'm waiting to see your comment. Um, I'm trying to look at this on. Let's see, open live chat. I'm trying to look at it on my phone to see if I have some questions here. Let's see if I have some questions here, guys. Now is the time for you to post your questions if you got any. I'm trying to see if say you guys have some questions for me, so I can. But I think you guys haven't written anything, so I don't think there's any question for me at this point in time. So Yeah, if there are no questions, then I think that's pretty all for today. You guys should at least let me know at the comment section that you understood and you're gonna take advantage of this TA to make some profit from your altcoins. And also, if say you want to learn what I do, you want to be an analyst, then make sure you comment below that you want to be part of my complete education session, my one-on-one session. There I'm going to help you to understand TA, to teach you what I do here on a daily basis. If say you really want to take your investment and trading journey to the next level, then you have to be part of my complete educational session. There, I take you one on one. I take you to the moon to help you understand what you should be looking at, how to look at project, how to chart project. I do all of this stuff. So make sure you join me. But again, I don't have much to say today, apart from just to help you guys always when I have the opportunity. But it's pretty shocking that you guys don't have any coins you want me to look at this point in time. Yeah, that's crazy. Usually, you have coins to share with me, but it's I don't know why you guys don't have anything today to share with me. Anyways, guys, I don't have to force you. You see, you don't have. All right, that's it for today's video. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Ciao. Bye bye.